Deen for kids. Learn, love, live Islam.
Assalamu alaikum, little friends. Today, we're going on an exciting animal adventure. We're going to meet some amazing animals and learn their names in Arabic. Listen carefully, say each word after me, and see how many you can remember by the end. Ready? Bismillah, let's begin. Look, it's a cat. In Arabic, cat is qitta, kitta. Say it with me. Kitta. Excellent. And what is this? A dog. In Arabic, kalb. Your turn. Kalb. Very good. Look at this strong animal. It's a lion. In Arabic, lion is asad. Say asad. Amazing. Wow, look at that big elephant. In Arabic, feel. Can you say it? Feel. Well done. Look up. A bird is flying in the sky. In Arabic, bird is طائر. Let's say it together. طائر. Wonderful. What animal is this? A cow. In Arabic, بقرة. Say بقرة. Excellent. Look at this beautiful horse. In Arabic, حصان. Your turn. حصان. Great job. Look beneath the water. What do you see? Fish. In Arabic, سمك. Can you say سمك? Excellent. Look who's swinging from the tree. It's a monkey. In Arabic, قرد. Say it slowly. قرد. Well done. Look at that very tall animal. It's a giraffe. In Arabic, زرافة. Say زرافة. Excellent. Look at this big furry animal. It's a bear. In Arabic, dub. Your turn. Dub. Great. Look at this little animal hopping through the grass. It's a rabbit. In Arabic, أرنب. Say أرنب. Wonderful. Look at that huge animal in the water. It's a hippopotamus. In Arabic, فرس النهر. Can you say it? فرس النهر. Amazing! Look at those beautiful black and white stripes. It's a zebra. In Arabic, حمار وحشي. Say حمار وحشي. Excellent! Look at this graceful animal. It's a deer. In Arabic, غزال. Your turn. غزال. Beautiful. Look carefully. It's a snake. In Arabic, ثعبان. Say it slowly. ثعبان. Well done. Look at those stripes. It's a tiger. In Arabic, نمر. Say نمر. Fantastic. And here is a wild animal. It's a wolf. In Arabic, ذئب. Let's say it together. ذئب. Excellent. Look up high in the sky. It's an eagle. In Arabic, نسر. Say نسر. Amazing. Now it's time for a little challenge. I'll show you an animal. Can you remember its Arabic name? Ready? Cat. قطة. Lion. Asad, elephant. Fil, camel. Camel, rabbit. Arnab, tiger. Nemr, eagle. Nesr. MashaAllah, you're doing great! Did you know that Allah created all these amazing animals? The Quran teaches us to look at Allah's creation and reflect on His signs. Some animals are big, some are small, some walk on the ground, some swim in the water, and some fly high in the sky. Every animal is different, and Allah created them all. So whenever you see something amazing in Allah's creation, remember to say, Subhanallah. Before we go, let's see if you can remember these 5. Cat, qatta. Lion, asad. Horse, hisan. Camel, jamel. Rabbit, arnab. MashaAllah! You just learned 20 animal names in Arabic. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know even more Arabic words. If you enjoyed learning with us, subscribe to Deen for Kids for more fun Islamic lessons, Arabic words, Quran stories, du'as, and beautiful reminders. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.
See you next time.